All right, Allie, number 24 is really easy after number 23 makes sense. So in this case, they've given us one relative abundance and its atomic mass, and they've given us the total atomic mass. And what they're asking us for is to find the atomic mass of the other isotope, which we're going to call X. Now, you're like, okay, well, we've got to have a piece here. Well, we're smart girls. If this is 62.60%, then I can do 100 minus 62.60, and I know that this isotope makes up 37.4% of that total atomic mass. So again, my total is 186.207, and it's going to equal 62.6% of this number plus 37.4% of this unknown number. Remember, we represent percentages as decimals when we're solving equations. So 0.626, I'm going to drop that 0 because it doesn't matter. So 0.626 times 186.956 plus 37.4% would be 0.374. And then again, we don't know its atomic mass, so we're going to put X. So there's my equation. So when I multiply those two numbers, so I can start solving, I get 117.0345 plus, put that together, 0.374x. Subtract this number over here, and I get 69.1725 equals 0.374x. Divide by 0.374, divide by 0.374, and when I do that, I get that x is equal to 184.953 AMU. So when you're working on that other problem, to me 23 is a little bit harder, but remember when you're working on 23, they have given you the numbers. What they haven't given you is the percents. So we have to find our percents by making one of them X and then one of them 100% minus X, but remember we use decimals, so 1 minus X works. And when we solve that out, we get a decimal, move it 2 places, we get a percent. 100 minus that percent, this is what's the difference. So those two percentages, if I plugged them in here and here, would come out to that total, just like on this problem. Right here, the one we just did, number 24, 62.6% of this number and 37.4% of this number, which is 184.953, equals that total right there. So both of these questions are about relative abundance, but this one's kind of working backwards for a missing piece. So relative abundance is just what is the percent that makes up each isotope to get your average atomic mass that's on the periodic table.